Hey guys, I'm back and today I'm doing a coding video. I'll be showing how to do my thing from my cool Scratch project. You should go watch it. So first of all, there should be a video. You go to Scratch and then it says Scratch Imagine Programs Share. So if you go and search up Scratch, it should just come up. But if I do this and I do it again, then look, it says here Scratch. So what I'm going to do, there was a video here, so you just close this and then you start with a cat sprite. I'm going to be teaching you how to do my video, my coloring art thing. So first, you see you've got a cat. Don't click that. My friend Hector gave me the idea for this, so thank you if you're watching this. Then you go. So first you go to event. Then there's a thing that says when green flag clicked. You drag that to here. You go on to the purple one that says looks under it here. Then there's blue writing under it, under motion. And then you go, and then if you look down near the bottom, there's a thing that says hide. So we look where there's, if you look, so there's, put this purple block here. If you look where I'm going to drag it, this is where it is. And then you put it under here. Then you press this little thing here with two blocks with a long one on the bottom and a short one on the top with a plus. Then, and if you hover over it, it says for a few seconds, it should say add extension. I'll click it. Then you click on pen, draw with your sprites. Then it comes to here. You set hide, set pen color to any color you want. For this demonstration, I'm going to be doing red. Here, set pen color to red. I would do set pen size to about 15. And then see this, set pen size to 1, but then you can just click on this with right click, and you press backspace 1, then 5. Just showing you how to do it. And then for this one, set pen color, you click on the color, and then it's just like this. It says color 91, saturation, and brightness. And then I just went all the way to color 0, or you can do color 100. They're both red. You can choose whatever color you want and pen size, but I just like doing red and color red and pen size to 15. And then what you should do, you put pen down. Then I'm pretty sure you go down to here, and there should be a thing that says if on edge bounce in motion. These ones, like with the pen size ones, are in pen. Purple is in looks. This is more like a, like a brighter purple, as you can see. And the yellow one is in events, and the blue one's in motion. The if on edge bounce is here, so I put that on the bottom. And then what happens is when you do that, after that you do control forever. If touching forever, from control you drag forever over to under if on edge. Then you do grab an if, then there's a weird looking thing. Then in control, both are in control. Then you go to sensing, and on the top there should be a thing that says touching mouse pointer. Then you click on mouse pointer, change it to edge. If touching edge, then you go back to motion, and you get the turn this way, turn right or left. I'm pretty sure it's left 15 degrees. Yeah, it's left. You put it in there. wait, you should put this here actually. And then forever from that, and then you have repeat. Click on 10, press backspace, and then just do loads and 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 loads of lines until you go through the blue, and then you just click back, and then you're here. Repeat whatever how many lines I did. Move 10 steps. So that's our first piece of code. Then the second, you do this. When green flag clicked, what was it again? Oh yeah, you say turn 15 degrees, just turn 15 degrees like that. You click it twice, then just put it here. Oh yeah, when clicked, if touching edge, and then turn 15 degrees, then actually go back to clone, go back to controls, then on the bottom there should be a thing that says create clone of myself. That's what we want to have. Well, actually we don't need the turn 15 degrees, we just need the create clone of myself. Then you stay on there, and then there should be a thing that says when I start as a clone. Then we should do this forever, then repeat 10, except we change it again back to 9, whatever how many 9s we did. And then we should go back and do motion, move 10 steps. Then go back to control, click when I start as a clone, and then you say, just in case, do hide, set pen color to whatever you want. I'm just going to do red like I said earlier. It's just what I like to do. Then I would set pen size to 15, pen down. Then back to motion, if on edge bounce. All we're doing is pretty much just copying this. We've already done that, so we don't need to do that again. Then control if, touching if, then if weird thing, then sensing, touching edge, then create clone of myself. Now we go back to, we stay on control and go when I started as a clone, because this is I'm making it as most is pretty much almost the same as I did before with the sounds are an option. I'm not going to do them this time because they're quite annoying, so I'm going to continue with this. When I start as a clone, when I start as a clone, when I start as a clone, what was it again? Oh yeah, set, wait no, you don't need when I start as a clone, actually. You go to events, when space key pressed, go to change random position to mouse pointer. So if I want to make the guys come to us in the explosion of colour, then I press the space bar. Then it should just create an explosion of stuff, of them, of the clones. Then you go back to events. When not space, we want to do when P key pressed, go to control, stop all. Then again, when space key pressed, well not space, when E key pressed, go to pen, erase all. So this is for the sprite, and then I'm going to go onto this kind of this thing with mountains that down here, where if you look on the bottom right corner of the screen, there should be like a cat face with a plus and like a picture with like a mountain with like a frame with a plus. And then you go onto it, it says choose a backdrop, then you go onto the magnifying glass. Then if you look, there's Arctic in the top left, then you go down one, across one to the right, across one to the right again, blue sky 2, with the blue outline that there should be. You click on it, and that's where it is. I'm going to click on the backdrops, that this shows the code. Then when green flag clicked, looks, change color, wait, forever, change color effect by 5, wait 1 second, then if you're going to do the sounds, if you when space key pressed, then you go to sound, play sound. It should say meow first, and then you drag meow and it says record, then you record like this. Yeet! I know, re-record. Yeet! Like that, and then you can play it again. Yeet! Yeet! Like that. Then you save it, go back to code up here, so it sounds code. And then you click on meow, go to recording 1. And then that should be it. And then that's it. And then if you go onto this is what it should look like. Oh, that's weird. Wait, pause. Oh yes, I forgot to say this, sorry. Then you need to have a completely different thing for the if on edge. I'm very sorry. If it didn't work, then when you have this, when clicked, if on edge bounce, now I'm going to press E, and then I should start it, and then if I did this correctly, oh yeah, I forgot to do, oh yeah, forever, if on edge bounce, so put this away, and then you do, what you should do is when I start as a clone, forever, change pen color by 5, and you go to control, wait 1 second, then if I did this correctly, it should work. There we go, look. There. See, now you've got your game. Except, you only have 2 clones. So, when I start as a clone, then you have this. You take rid of that. And then, when I start as a clone again, if on edge bounce. So that should be it. Then I can draw this. This is the clone. This isn't going as well as last time. I'll just go check. I'll be back again. I'll be back.